Dirty South, can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast, feel me. Feel us. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm JaMya. So as you guys can tell by the title and also by the intro, we're doing a hair care review. First, I want to start by saying thank you to Garnier for gifting me these products. I recently got this in PR last week, so let's go ahead and test out these products. This is Garnier's hair filler Hyaluronic collection, and this is used as a moisture repair system for all curly hair types. Starting off with wet hair, I'm going to go ahead and use their pre-shampoo treatment, which is their bonding inner fiber repair treatment. This product is formulated with 15% peptides and citric acids to help repair your hair from the inside out. What I'm doing here is just splitting my hair in half and just working with each section of my hair, and then I'm just going to twist it off and leave it on there for about 5 minutes. So like I said before, this product is to help repair your hair from the inside out. So on the inside, this really helps repair and strengthen broken bonds deep in the cortex of your hair fibers, while the outer area strengthens and smooths your hair for a healthier looking shine throughout your hair. So after I just left it in for 5 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out this product. And as you guys can tell, my hair is already starting to look really good with only using this pre-shampoo. So moving on to step 2, this is their moisture repair shampoo. This shampoo is filled with 4% of hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and also repair care complex, which helps fill the hair with moisture. Like I stated before, these products have a system for inner fiber repair while also having an outer transformation. So for the inner portion, this helps repair and strengthen broken bonds deep in the hair cortex and also the hair fibers inner layer, while the outer portion locks in up to 15 times more moisture and up to 100 hours of frizz control for defined curls with no way down. So normally with my wash days, I like to shampoo my hair twice, so that is exactly what I did. I shampooed my hair twice, and since they gave me a scalp massager within my PR box, I just went ahead and used this on my scalp. And you guys, it felt so good, and I just really feel like this really helped my scalp get extra clean. So here I'm just rinsing out the shampoo, just really making sure I have everything out of my hair before we move on to step 3. And this is what my hair looks like. It literally looks so shiny and so healthy. So now we're on to the moisture repair conditioner. This conditioner has 7% of hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and also repair care complex, which helps fill your hair with moisture as well. And for the inner and outer portions of this system is also the same as the shampoo. So to repair and strengthen your broken bonds and also lock in moisture onto your hair. I left this in for about 5 minutes, and then I just went ahead and rinsed it out. My hair felt so soft and very smooth after rinsing out this conditioner. I definitely did enjoy using this conditioner as well as the shampoo and also the pre-shampoo treatment. Not only did all 3 of these products smell amazing, but they definitely worked really well on my hair. And I just love how my hair is left feeling fresh, clean, moisturized, and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into styling my hair. So today I'm just going to do my everyday hairstyle, which is a half up, half down. This has been my go-to hairstyle for a while now. So we're going to start off with the moisture repair serum. This serum has 4% of hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and repair care complex, which is also used to fill the hair with moisture. The system is also the same as the shampoo and conditioner. So I pretty much just take a small amount and I put that onto the hair before applying the last step, which is the moisture repair gel cream. And this is with 7% of hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and also the repair care complex. This is a gel cream like leave-in conditioner to give your hair the hydration it needs while also giving you a light hold to give your hair no crunch and also no way down. So this is what the back of my hair looks like. Let's go ahead and get onto the top. So I'm using the serum first to just go ahead and give my hair that prep it needs before using the leave-in conditioner right on top. So I'm just going to take a really good amount of this leave-in conditioner and just apply it onto my hair. This really allows my hair to give it that shiny, defined curl look that I love going for with my hair. So now basically what I'm doing is just brushing up my hair and just really seeing how I want to place the bun within the top portion of my hair. Now that I figured out where exactly I want to place my bun, I'm just going to secure it with my scrunchie. I'm taking a little bit more of that leave-in conditioner and I'm just applying that right on top to keep away the frizzies. I also did my edges off camera, but this is the final look of what my hair looks like. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely love the outcome of my hair. It is shiny and is moisturized. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out these products by Garnier today and let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you again to Garnier for gifting me these products. I am in love with them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, girl.